Even 11th is not that tough. Do we have denominator for the 11th one? See, same like yesterday. Be quick, answer, complete, and you can leave. Okay. If you'll take too long, we won't be able to complete the portions. This is the first equation. Multiply this 1 into what you will get? 8 minus 2, 5 as it is. Next, by 4. Where is this 5 and 4? On the same side or different side? Different. If they're different side, we don't use LCM concept. We just cross multiply like this. So if you cross multiply 4 into x minus 2, and here what do you get? How do you rearrange this? 4x. On left hand side you should have alphabets. Minus 5 by it goes to the other side becomes. Right hand side there is 5. Which one goes to the other side? What it becomes? 5 plus 8 is? Understood how to solve first equation? Second equation, how do you arrange this? See, stop telling 4 to the other side, this side. Tell me direct value is equal to what these two equations? What are you doing, Jovan? Writing? You want to go anywhere after the class? Are you in a rush? Look at the screen. Stop taking running words. First concentrate here. That's the reason your answers are not perfect. Understood both of you? First and second equation. Then which number looks small? X value or Y value? So try to eliminate Y first. What should I multiply? Which should answer this? What's the next step? Tell me properly what I have to multiply. What's the next step? You shouldn't ask the question to me. You should tell the answer. What's the next step after this? Tell me the next step after this. Respond with truth. Are you there online? What's the next step? I told you have to eliminate Y. What do you have to do? So homework you have copied. Then explain this. See which method are we using? What is elimination? If they're different, can we cancel? Then how do you make them equal? That is my question. How do you make them equal? If they're not same, what's the point of changing sign? You want to leave? Go through the recording and attend tomorrow. Tell me the next step. If not, it is considered that you have copied your own work. Without knowing this, what are you doing? You're just sitting and watching. What's the next step? How do you solve this? Yeah, Brendan start. No, not Brendan. Joan start solving. Tell me, Vishruth. Multiply what? How do you make equal? What is wrong with you? This basic step you don't know. You're just sitting and watching. Homework question you multiplied into 2, right? Why did you multiply into 2? Here, so what, how will you make them equal here? What is wrong with you? Not even answering this. How do you make them equal? Cancel. How long we should? How do you make them equal? What is wrong with you? How do you make them equal? You understood my question? How do you make equal? This 5, what you have to do? In where you have to multiply? Then why are not opening your mouth? Why are not talking? Why not telling this? That is the main step. Without this, what you are doing for the past 3 days? So homework question you have multiplied into 2, right? How did you know that you have to multiply into 2? The same thing why you didn't know for this one. What you mean you didn't know? Isn't it the same chapter? We're doing the same chapter, right? Then from where did you copy the homework question? Tell me the truth. No, be honest with truth. Don't lie. From where did you copy or from who taught you? Then who helped you to solve? In homework you multiplied into 2. Here why you are not telling me the answer? Somebody has helped or you have copied it? Tell me the truth. Hmm? Then why here you are not able to answer? Tell me, you don't know why we multiply into 3 and 5? You still don't know why I multiplied? Why did I multiply? Copy, sit and copy. Do the same thing. Copy, leave the class, do whatever you want to shoot. Complete it. Fed up of teaching you. You don't even open mouth, you don't even tell what's your doubt or you just sit and listen, copy and you leave. Start doing from the beginning. Now you don't pretend I've done everything, I've completed. What is the point of answering now? Start copying from the beginning. What's the next step completed? Be quick. What about you, Vishruth? Tell me this. Tell me the next step. Next. Forgot. Tell me next step. Let me check the question. Tell me. What's the next step? Hmm? Next. Tau minus 1 by 2. Which one you divided? Okay. Then what's the answer? How did you divide? Explain that step. Okay. If we cancel, that's what we should. How was it? How did you cancel? Explain that. How did you cancel? Explain this part. Hmm? Just like that you tried. Show me your notes. Keep your camera properly. Remove that effect. Show me what you've done. Why is it not clear? Just a minute. Can you bring it little close? What happened from there? Where you didn't solve last two lines. Hmm? I haven't solved it, Vishruth. How did you get the answer? No, it's not there. Okay. Send me. Okay, show that last part. We solved that. You have just written 12x plus 5y is equal to what is that? Okay, after that, okay. What you have done next step? Tell me what you've done. Okay, then, is equal to 59. Okay, next. See, where have you written all that in your notes? Okay, when you divided, how did you cancel? Hmm. Tell me. Tell me this part, Vishwat. What is x value? How did you cancel? You told me you divided. You told answer is minus 1 by 2. How did you divide? It's been 50 minutes. We are able to do only one question. No, no, you got correct answer. What you told was correct. Explain this part. That is what I'm asking. Tell me, Joven. Got the answer? What did you get x value? And how did you divide? 15 and 1 are 118. Show me what you have done. The answer only is not visible. I don't know what you did. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Complete the next one. Find y. Check the answer in textbook. Joven. Okay, you saw the answer from textbook and you're telling? Okay. Tell me the next step. We should. How do you solve the next one? Okay. Hmm. If you write 4 into 1 by 2, if you don't know to solve this, you should go back to your 5th standard. Okay, if you go to 5th, again, it will take another 4 years to come back to ninth. Right? You should. Huh? So by the time you complete your 10th standard, everyone would have done their college. What's the answer? Minus is also there. What is it? Huh? Why you didn't do? Complete it. You got to know how to do, right? Okay. Look at the next one. Both of you look at the next one. Which one has denominator here? Left hand side. First shift this. X minus y. Okay. Cross multiply. This one doesn't have denominator, right? If it's no denominator, see 1 you can cross multiply. Just ignore 2. Just ignore it. What is x 2s are? Into 4 minus x. Clear? Next, you multiply. See, immediately don't see the notes with you. Don't see below. You don't know how to multiply. Even this 4 into 12 you want to multiply and tell. Next, then 48 minus 12. 48 is number, 12x is as x. You think you have to subtract it. What are you answering, Vishu? This is just a number. This is 12x. Can you subtract and write 36x? Even the next test, I don't think you will score well. Complete this. Tell me, Joven, what do you do? X plus 12x minus y as it is equal to. See, Vishnu, if you're not answering all this basic thing, I'll stop asking questions. You just attend, copy, and leave. Is it fine? Okay. I won't even interact with you. I'll stop asking questions if you're not concentrating and so on. You just attend every day, just copy, and you can leave. This is which one? 12th question. What's the next equation we have? Open the bracket. Next. Next. What 5x? See, you should have confidence is fine, Joven. Okay, you should have overconfidence. First, shift it. Without shifting, you're just telling some random values. What is 2x minus 3x? Minus? Got this? That is how Erin used to answer. Some or other thing, you won't even think, he'll just answer some random things. Now look at the way he's solving today. I showed you Erin's homework, right? Both of you saw his homework. Hmm. Without writing, if you'll give mental calculation like this, that is what will happen. So better write it. Tell me the next step. What I have to write down? Which one shall we eliminate? We don't need to change anything, right? Don't need to cross multiply. It is already changed. What is 13 minus 1? Completed, find y. 36 divided by 12 is 3, right? Okay, can I see the 14th question? Both of you all? 14th one? Hmm. Yes, complete the 14th. Find the value of y. For this question, complete 14th and send both 12th and 14th. Clear? Sorry. Yeah. 13th one I'll do tomorrow. Fine. Check. I have next class, Joven. Fine, fine. If you have done, check that in your textbook and complete the 14th one. You have to complete 14th and 15th. Okay. Yesterday you missed it. Complete 14th and 15th and send it. That's it for today. You all can leave.